Dave Baumberger is moving items out of his father's low-lying home along Rapid Creek.
And we came in, my dad and an old friend of the family and me, and we walked in and we walked to the house and we started getting some stuff out of the house. And the water started coming up in higher than we were comfortable with, and we decided we should get out. And there was a neighbor family next to my folks that had 3 boys and the mother and father, and there was a lady across. They lived on a small cul-de-sac with 4 houses. There was a lady across that was left there too, and we tried to walk out and the water was coming up too fast to get walked out, so we decided we'd go to the highest house, which was the lady across the cul-de-sac. And we got in the house and we were waiting for a rescue or whatever, I don't know. But anyway, the water kept coming up, and when the refrigerator started floating in the kitchen, we found a way to get into the attic, and we got up into the attic of the house. The water was coming up in 3 or 4 foot increments at a time. It wasn't just a steady, slow rise. So eventually the house started shifting off the foundation and started breaking apart, and we were all in the attic at that time, and the roof broke apart. And to be honest with you, I don't know what happened with everybody else. I got out through the fracture in the roof. I got out of the house and I got carried by the water down to the lake shore, and I got hung up in a tree. And so I stayed in the tree until the tree next to me tipped over. And the lightning was flashing bright enough that night that it just lit everything up like daylight when it did flash. And in one of the flashes of lightning, there was a big inner tube come floating by, and I made a jump for it because I figured, well, my tree's next if that tree went, and I missed it. And I got out in the lake, and I was swimming to the shore, and I'm guessing I was maybe 20, 25 feet offshore, and the dam broke.